school, and we are anxious for summer to start. So we thought it would be a fun way to kick it off by going to Disney's Blizzard Beach. The water parks at Disney are awesome. I think a lot of people, when they come on vacation here, they do the 4 main parks, which are amazing as well, but the water parks definitely should be on your list because they're definitely themed well and just really nice and a lot of fun.
Nope, you gotta go back this way. Oh, back up, back up.
Back up this way.
Back up. Steady hand the whole time. You gotta track them, track them, track them, track them. Hey, 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 hey. Have fun, baby. What are you doing?
We're at the zip line waiting for Bentley and Cadence to go down, and Beckham is loving it. He thinks this is hilarious with the kids hitting the end and falling into the water. He is laughing uncontrollably. He loves that.
So our favorite ride and place at Blizzard Beach is Teamboat Springs, because it's a ride that all 6 of us can ride at the same time, and watching the kids like lose their mind on it is the best. So we're about to go do that ride.
So what was y'all's favorite ride?
Family.
Family one?
I like that one too. I love us all being together, and I love seeing y'all's faces as we're going on the slide. There's so much smiles and laughter. I love it.
What happened?
Blizzard Beach was so much fun. It makes us so excited for summer. Yay! Summer's almost here.
Beckham, what are you doing over there? Is that what's going on? Okay. Your hair looks a little fluffy up top.